Okay, this is lesson 68, number 4. It's an angular velocity question, and I know that I've had this formula for a while. Linear velocity equals radius times angular velocity, which is in radians per unit time. So it's going to ask me, well, I don't know, let's read it. Back wheels had an angular velocity, so it gave me the angular velocity is 400 radians per minute. The wheels rolled along at 15 miles per hour. What was the radius? So I went ahead and filled them in. Normally I will solve this for whichever variable. Like I should have divided both sides by angular velocity first before I started. But it's okay. I'm just going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 400 radians per minute. So when I multiply over here by this reciprocal, I'm going to have minutes on top, and I'm going to have 400. The radians can disappear, by the way. We'll just let them disappear now. How's that? And that went away. So basically, I'm going to rearrange this. So the radius is going to be equal to, that's 400 in 1 minute. So this is going to be 1 minute. 400, and this is 15, can you guys see what I'm doing, miles per hour. Okay, and then I gotta get all these unit multipliers, gotta fix it all up. So I have minutes and hours, and what I want all that to go away, the minutes and the hours. So I'm gonna put some minutes down here to cancel those minutes, and then I'll put some hours up here to cancel, and that'll be perfect. It'll cancel that everything out at the same time. That's 1 and 60, and everything went away. That's good. Now, miles. Did I miss something? Oh, shoot. No, I'm good? The radius is 15 miles over 4. Oh, it's 15 over 400 miles? It's 15 400ths of a mile, huh? Okay. So does it want it in, what does it want it in? Inches. Okay. So I have 15 over 400 miles, so I just need to go down to inches. Thank you. So I usually write it on the side what I'm trying to go to. And I put a little cloud, and that tells me where I'm going. Go toward the cloud. So miles, I'll put miles here, and then I'll put feet, because I know there's 5,280 feet in 1 mile. And so, thank you for getting me back on track. And then the feet, and then the inches. So I know there's 12 inches in 1 foot, and there it is. And then we can just write it all nice, like 15 times 5,280 times 12. It's acceptable to just write it, to not put it in your calculator. It's totally acceptable to do that, and you don't even have to, like, cross-cancel anything or reduce or anything like that. You can just leave it like this if you want to. You can leave it like that ugly thing, and it's okay with our book. The teacher's aides won't mark you wrong. That turns out to be about, what was it again, Seth? About 39.6 inches. Oh, it's exactly. Okay. I didn't put it in my own calculator because I didn't want to dare push all those buttons and mess it up when it was perfectly fine the way it was. So either one of those answers is fine. They're the same. What's next?